Hello lovelies, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit unconventional. I'm sure you've all heard of Chatty Get Ready With Me's, but today I'm going to be doing a Chatty Get Unready With Me. At the end of the day, I've had my makeup on all day, so I'm just going to take off my makeup and just have a little time just to hang out with you. Before I do that, and before I wash my makeup off, if you are interested in this eye look, I actually did film a tutorial with this. It is one of my Icy Eyes Winter Palette shorts, and so that one has been posted using the Smitten in Switzerland palette from BH Cosmetics. This is a really pretty one from their travel series, and it has a really pretty, very muted color story on the inside. It is absolutely gorgeous. So this is what I have on my eyes now. If you're interested, I'll put the link for that video in the description box below. But right now we're just going to be taking off my makeup and we're just going to have a little time to hang out together. So come along with me and let's make up the rules. To take off my makeup, I'm just going to use the makeup wipes that I usually use. These are from Burt's Bees. They are the 3-in-1 Micellar rose water wipes. They are really nice. They just have a really nice light scent to them. I have tried one of the other scents from that line before. It came in the blue package that looks like this, and it was the coconut and lotus, and I personally did not really enjoy that one. I did not like the smell. It had a really weird smell and it really lingered on the skin after I used them. But I'd love to hear from you what your experience has been. Have you used either one of these, or maybe a different scent from the Burt's Bees, and which one did you like? But I like the rose water ones. I really enjoy getting to use those, so I'm going to go ahead and grab one of those wipes. For me personally, I do tend to kind of go back and forth between using makeup wipes and then also reusable makeup rags. I really enjoy using those, especially if I'm taking a shower. Then I can just kind of wash off my makeup while I'm in the shower. And those are really nice. I like that they're a lot more earth-friendly than the makeup wipes. Of course, these are disposable, so it's a little harder for me to use these, but sometimes it's just nice when you're, just kind of somewhere trying to just take off your makeup and just do it dry and just use a wipe. It's helpful. So I definitely really enjoy these. They don't really smell like much. They're pretty light, but they're definitely a lot better than the coconut and lotus scent. So I really just kind of wanted to take a few minutes just to take off my makeup and just to kind of come home and just kind of unwind and create a video. I had a little bit of a stressful day today. I was dealing with some car issues and ended up having to get it towed over to the dealership, and so I'm getting some parts replaced, and so it's just kind of stressful dealing with all of that today. And I really just wanted to come home and just kind of be in a safe place and just be in a place where I could just enjoy myself and just have fun and really just kind of connect with some people in my community. And so I'm just so grateful for this opportunity to be on YouTube and just to have a little bit of a following and to really just have a growing community where I feel safe, I feel accepted, and am able to share something that I love so much, which is makeup, and just share that with like-minded individuals. I know that's something that I've started getting a lot more comments on my videos, and really been able to talk to all of you about makeup and just about your favorite palettes, about the things that you love and the things that you enjoy and the things that I enjoy as well. And really just being able to have that community and that conversation has just been so cool and so fun. I've really enjoyed getting to just get into those conversations with you in the comments. And as we were ending out 2025 on my channel, I had about 50 followers or 50 subscribers as we were starting into December, and I went back and forth a little bit trying to decide what I wanted to do and trying to decide if I wanted to make a commitment to do the 12 Days of Christmas Shorts challenge. And ultimately I did decide to do that challenge. I wasn't sure if I would really be able to film and edit and post 12 videos and be able to post them every day leading up to Christmas. But I decided that I was going to push myself, I was going to make that commitment, and that was something that I really wanted to do. And so I did end up deciding to go ahead and create those videos, and I posted them every day from December 14th to December 25th, and was able to really share a whole bunch of Christmas looks. And it was so cool, and it was so much fun just getting to see all of the amazing feedback. During those shorts, I actually had my very first short reach 2,000 views, which was so cool and so exciting. And then just all of the comments and just all of the amazing feedback that I got from that. And I will say that something that happened through that it was a little bit unexpected for me was that I ended up getting about 1 subscriber every day starting around the 3rd video. I started getting a subscriber every day, and then even a few more after that. And so at the beginning of that challenge, I was at about 51 subscribers, and by the time that we were done, I ended up being a little more than 12. I was at 67 by the end of that 12-day challenge. So I was so cool just to see just the growth and just the following that came from that. And I'm so grateful. It is so cool just to be in this place where I can share something that I love, that I'm so passionate about, and to find other people who are passionate about it too is just such an amazing thing. And so I just really wanted to just come on and just tell you all just how much all of this means to me. That, just your support for every view, every like, every comment, every minute that you spend with me, it really makes a difference. It's just so impactful and so meaningful. And so I really just wanted to come on and just say thank you, and just thank you for your support. Thank you for your kind words. Thank you for just everything that you've done just to help me to really find my place here in this little corner of YouTube, and really just be able to just connect with you and to make some new friends, to make some new connections, and really just to be able to find a place here. And I could not do any of this without you, without all of your support. So I really just wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you. I am really looking forward just to seeing what 2026 has in store for us and for my channel, just to really be able to see just the growth, and just to see just all of the opportunities that might come from this. It's just such a cool thing, and life just is so unexpected. It just takes you in so many different directions that you may never have even dreamed for yourself. And it's just so cool just to see where things take you as you just go into open doors and into open opportunities. And so that for me is what this is. It's just an open door just to see where my life might take me and what might come next. So I'm really grateful. I'm very excited. I started my channel just a little over a year ago, towards the end of 2024, and it's already grown so much in such a short amount of time. And so it's just really exciting to see how far it's come and where we're going from here. So I said in a post that I made on New Year's Day that my goal for my channel in 2026 is growth, and whatever capacity that might mean, whether that is through subscriber counts or just video counts. I finally am over 100 videos now, which is so exciting, and just really seeing the growth in just my channel. And then I'm also looking forward just to seeing growth in relationships, and like I said, that community, and building that community and making those friendships this year. And then of course in just having opportunities just to grow personally and professionally, and just in every way, just to be able to expand my horizons, just to see what opportunities are out there. Like I said, the 12 Days of Christmas challenge, that was something that I didn't have to do, but I wanted to do, and I was so glad that I did. It was so much fun, and I really feel like as we were finishing up the year and starting into 2026, that it really just kind of revitalized my love for makeup, and it made me just remember how much I love makeup and just how fun it can be to put it on and get ready for each day. And so that really encouraged me as we're starting into the new year to really just dive back into makeup, really create so many more looks, and really just to take it a lot more seriously. So I'm really excited about that, and just that revitalized excitement and passion that I have right now for doing something that I already love. So I'm really excited just to see what this year holds, what's going to happen. I've had so many opportunities in my life that I never dreamed before they happened that they would happen, and I've learned not to put limitations on things. Things can happen that you never expected that are just so perfect for you, and they're just such great opportunities. So I'm just excited to see what can happen next. So I just wanted to, like I said, just come on and just share a little bit of my thoughts and my heart and just kind of where I am in my channel and in my growth, and just to have a few minutes with you and just to share a little bit with you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me during this unconventional video, this chatty get unready with me. It was just fun just to hang out and just to share a little bit of just where I'm at in my channel and where we're going, and just all of the opportunities that we're looking forward to. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some things that you're looking forward to in this new year? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you'd like to see more makeup videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, let's be kind to each other, beautiful to ourselves, and never afraid to make up the rules.